Hey, welcome to That Family 5. My mom said she'll braid up my hair if I film her a wig video, so this is what's happening. I bought this hair and I'm about to put it on.
Hey you guys, welcome back to That Family 5. This is my oldest teenager that you never see, Rayne B. York. She is doing a wig video for me. So she's gonna come in a little bit and tell you word for word what she's doing, because I don't know. But she said she wanted me to braid her hair. I said only if you do a wig video. She said, okay, mama. We are the family that loves life and having fun. We want to invite y'all to our little YouTube family. Go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. We do cleaning motivations, lifestyle, mom life, and everything above. Thank you so much.
I already opened the box when it first came in, and the packaging was a lot better. It didn't come out like just straight out the box like this, and I did mess around with it, so it did not come out like this at first. No, my eyebrow. It also came with some lashes from Huda and do.All, and it's called do.All, and a wig cap, but it's not like this. It's like the net one, which is wax. Yeah, it's not the same. It's not the same smaller. And then I bought these separately because I think these are like waterproof, and I wanted to be able to wear them at like the beach or something. You know what I'm saying? You don't know. Let's see. I look sort of stupid. I look sort of bomb. Ew! They're gonna see me on her channel. They're gonna say something. The prep and stuff. So I already cut. I'm doing like the ball cap method, and I already cut the holes for the ears. I don't know if I'll stay down. Like I only do this method so like this side can stay down and stick, but like it's not really working. And I ain't even glue it down yet. That's fine. It's fresh. How about you? I am now spraying on the Godspeed glue, and I'm gonna let it dry for a minute.
It's gonna make me better. Fill my cup, it's not enough before it's running over. I believe that if it hurts.
Okay, well, I'm spraying another layer just to make sure, and using waterproof glue, hair glue. In this part, I was just messing around with the wig, like combing it or brushing it.
You know I met you in the dark, it was a Saturday.
Okay, I'm about to cut my lace. Not my lace. I'm doing the ball cap method, so I'm gonna cut it, and then I use razors instead so I can get a nice clean, closer cut to the hairline, but not all my hairline, so I can protect my edges.
We should do, what should we do, what should we do? I said you can do what you want to with me, yeah, I won't mind. As long as you stay with me, I'm alright. I wanna hold ya. I wanna hold ya. You got those red lips, blue eyes, black skinny jeans, and every room you walk into, you're always setting the scene. I wanna hold ya, hold ya.
done. I am going to color my ball cap the same color as my skin, so when I put on the wig, it looks seamless, hopefully.
I couldn't quite believe it was magical. Just kissing under street lights on our way back home. Our way back home, our way back home.
Okay, so I don't know what I was doing here, but we had two of them, and one of them are older. So I was like, should I use the old one or the new one?
With me, I'm alright. I wanna hold you.
Okay, well, I end up using it at the end, but like I used this tape. It's waterproof and it's very strong. It's like long lasting. So yeah, and then like if I had little gaps in it, like really small one, I'll just fill it in with the waterproof lace glue or whatever.
Met you in the dark, met you in the dark, dark, met you in the dark, met you in the dark, dark, met you in the dark, met you in the dark, dark, met you in the dark, met you in the dark, dark, met you in the dark, met you in the dark, dark, met you in the dark, met you in the dark, dark, met you in the dark.
Okay, so I had a hard time taking off the strips because they kept on getting stuck to my finger. That's it. Okay, so like I was sort of upset because you could sort of see the tape, and then it was stuck though. But then I was sort of feeling myself because I thought I looked cute. Okay.
It's one of those times in life when you just know that it's right. It's one in a lifetime. For the first time in my life, I'm right on the edge now. I'm looking.
Just know I'm absolutely cringing. I'm so cringing. Like, Mom, why'd you do that?
Because it's cute.
No.
Taking a chance. 'Cause all I
So I was spraying it at the root so I can make sure that it was like waterproof. I don't want to be getting no pool and then like it's not waterproof. Like, no. I don't even know if you can hear me.
into your heart. 'Cause all I need from you, my angels, to catch me when I fall for you. All I need from you, my angels, to listen to your heart.
So I did the other side off camera, and then like there's a lace thing on the back of my head and I cannot get it for some reason. I mean, I got it now, but like, yeah.
Baby, you know that I will give it all I've got. I'm losing control tonight, but I hope you'll do what's right. I'm right on the edge now. I'm looking down. No matter how hard I try, can't see the ground. I'm on the edge now, taking the lead, taking a chance. 'Cause all I need from you, my angels, to catch me when I fall for you. All I need from you, my angels, to listen to your heart. 'Cause all I need from you, my angels, to catch me when I fall for you. All I need from you, my angels, to listen to your heart.
Okay, well this part I was trying to do edges, but like I couldn't do it at that moment, but I ended up putting edges later on, so.
Alright, so this video is coming to a close. We will insert some photos of the end result. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, go ahead and consider to subscribe to our channel and join our family. And thank you so much. And guess what, y'all? We'll see y'all in the tube. Peace out, y'all.